Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to update YouTube. To update the YouTube app, you can either go through the YouTube app itself. Sometimes it says there is an option to update, but most of the time it doesn't. So you have to go through the Play Store method. So you go to Play Store and you search for YouTube. You will find YouTube, and as you can see there's an option to update, so I'm going to try updating it. Make sure you have space on your mobile device before trying updating. So once it is in, as you can see right now it's updating. It won't take that long depending on your network. You just have to patiently wait during that time, and then once it's done updating and installing, you will have the latest feature of YouTube. You'll be able to use it as you please. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.